Right, so yeah, today I'm going to teach you how to basically activate your uh, the bot feature, the automated plug and play bot feature for your stores. What you need is you need to have an initial account for diritabuy.com, mystore.diritabuy.com. So you need to be already a seller there. Once you notice, we've already created we uploaded a new feature called Activate eCommerce. So what you do is you need to click that Activate eCommerce right there, and then click Activate eCommerce features. So once you click that, you should all the features are enabled. So there's a create private store and assign products. So right now you don't have any private store. So the first step is to basically create your private store. So once you create a private store, basically you just add all the details on that store. So fill up the store name, fill up the banner of your store. um, you can update all this later. You can also assign the page. It will enable later, so free shipping, cash on delivery, you can set that a little bit later once you're done setting up your page. So once you're finished, uh, the next steps would be setting up your products and your Facebook page. So to link to this one, because currently it's not linked to any Facebook pages or any business. So what you do is click Facebook pages. You'll be directed to setting up all the Facebook pages. You click update page settings. Basically, I already created the private the Facebook page for this user. So it's currently empty and it's not linked to any bot. So when you type it there, uh, it's not showing anything. So currently, uh, so you select the private store that you want to set up for the store. You click done, and that's pretty much it. And if you hit OK, your Facebook page will be added to the list of pages that the bot can have access to. And then so after that, you go back to your private store and you assign that specific page that you just updated. So you assign the private store that you just finished, hit save changes, and then now the store is basically linked to that page now. So the last thing you do, uh, so you test it, so it's not yet linked since the bot is still not active. So you go back. Basically, you still need to assign the products. So there's no products yet. So you go to products. You add new products you want to sell to that page. You click which store you want to assign the product to, and so just basically fill in all these details that you need the bot to understand and display. Create the banners, the images for the specific product. You select a category. Basically, what's important though is that there's no PM price for it. You need to have a price so that the bot can display it and sell it for you. So it won't show if you don't add a price right there. So, and also marking as public lets this product show both in your private store and your public marketplace. That's fine either way you want. And then just click product, save. So once that's done, then you should be ready to set up your bot. You just need to check if it's already assigned. So the product has been assigned, and then you go to your bot settings by clicking the bot settings, and then so you can see the current status of the bot. Just click subscribe to bot, and then the bot should be plugged in to um, your store. So now it's online. When you type in anything to your bot, should be able to see that and then should be able to respond. So right now it's still a baby bot. So a lot of the things, it's to understand just the basic for e-commerce. So it supports 3 languages right now. It supports buttons as well as conversational for ease access. So there's our product that we added. So you can search for a product, or you can order now, or you can call the seller directly. So it's nice. You can actually search for a lot of information. You can search for pricing details. You can search for shipping details, and so it understands basic questions for e-commerce, like um, do you sell, or how much for a product, or may ganito ba kayong product, or something like that. So it lists it for you. You can start ordering. You can start searching. It has all the details for you. It displays the prices and stuff. You can actually click order now, and it you can order, or you can search by a different language. So basically, you're pretty much standard thing you do when you do e-commerce or you do shopping in the chat. So if you order, it goes through the whole process, asking you for a name, last name, the address. And one thing to note, though, an important one, is that this bot has a pre-built OTP uh, verification for phone numbers, so which is good for bogus buyers initially. And then you can cancel anytime as well by clicking just the or not clicking, by typing cancel or cancel order or how to cancel and stuff. So it understands that, at least if you have only a pending set of order to a specific page. So yeah, you can add as well. You can ask question regarding shipping information. So it understands, I think, most Tagalog and Cebuano than English. So yeah, so right now it's free shipping, since in your private store it's currently marked as free shipping. So if you update that and add a few shipping information, then it should be able to display it. So if you save that, you added a new shipping info. uh, I think if you ask for shipping information, I don't think so. Right now, as I said, it doesn't understand all the nuances for languages, but you can change your sentences, and but it's learning pretty much all the things that you say to it. So right now it displays all the shipping information that is just added. So uh, you can add another shipping information, and it will reflect automatically without doing any configuration on anything. You just add an information, and the bot will understand and will add it for you. So if you ask it again regarding the shipping information, it will already have the details for the new shipping. Um, so yeah, there it displayed the new shipping information for you. And right now we have one product. You can also test if uh, the seller offers cash on delivery and stuff like that. So if a buyer asks for payment methods, it will check for your payment methods and stuff. So if you disable cash on delivery, and user will ask again if you have cash on delivery, it will um, not respond, or I mean, like, it will say that you don't currently support cash on delivery. So right now our payment gateways are limited because we're still on negotiation for um, our payment gateway. So maybe we'll offer different payment gateways for like in the next coming days or weeks. But Yeah, so that's pretty much in a nutshell on what the bot can do. So basically, everything is plug and play. You can you can just add a store, add a product, assign the bot, and all the details that you change in your store and in your products um, is already sold by the bot dynamically. So it adapts to any data changes right off the bat without changing your bot configuration. So all the bot displays. So we can add another product just to see how it does with multiple products. So I'm gonna add, it's pretty much the same flow for adding the products. Basically, you fill in the details, add a thumbnail. So you add a category, and then the price is important. So um, yeah, you click, you assign it to your store, you add product, and once that's done, pretty much, you will get to have a different product added to your listings in your page. So that's important. So you don't need to add anything to your bot. So basically the bot understands everything, what's happening to your stores, what's been added, what's been removed, configuration, tracking, and stuff. So if a user adds again and you added a new product, you will get to see the new products as part of the listings of your store. Um, so yeah, so now you can see the new product that has been added. So images, all the details, and the order details and stuff. So people can also search when you have like more than one product, or more, have a few product in your store. People can just search for products specifically, especially in your ads. You can also mark them as featured so that when they ask, all the question gets directed to that. So unsubscribing is easy. When you click unsubscribe, the bot will get disabled on uh, your page, and your page won't respond to anything. So if your store is down, or you don't have any stocks, you disable it so that the bot don't have anything yet for the users. You can do that. And then subscribing is easy. So enabling it is easy. You just click enable, and it's gonna be alive again. So it's pretty straightforward. That was our main design for the whole thing. It's that it needs to be really simple without any special configuration. You just need to focus on what you're selling, and it will sell it for you pretty much. So you don't need to have technical details on bots and creating bots, creating flows, creating uh, random ifs and else and switches. It just understands the flow of, at least for now, the basic e-commerce, and which is also one of the good things. So yeah, we can test it again that it's enabled. So right now, um, this is one of a few features that are coming for it. So the bot is at least optimized to learn everything that the users are asking. So if it doesn't understand anything, so if it doesn't understand something, it processes it through, and then creates the instance for it. And then once it adapts, it understands it, and then the next person or the next user to issue those commands will basically understand that. Um, so yeah, I think that was the whole thing. If you have more questions regarding the bot, or if you have I guess suggestions or feature requests, you can definitely send me an email, or just give me a message through Facebook, and we usually respond pretty fast. So we're looking for testers. but it's quite functional already, which is nice. And what else? So yeah, we're looking at the next features for probably this coming week or so. We're looking at adding Facebook pixels, adding Google Analytics, adding a private web UI store for you. So there's quite a few integrations coming, and then the bot is going to learn new things again this coming week regarding all the questions that it had for the prior week. So it's a bit exciting. So let me know, I guess. So that's all for me. Thanks.